Thank you for joining the Clutter Challenge with me. I'm having a good time. I hope that you can follow along with the videos and declutter that way. Sometimes people like to have things written down. They're more of a step-by-step thing. These that I'm holding in my hand are the Clutter Challenge cheat sheets. You can purchase them individually for $2 each, or you can buy the whole book, like an ebook, for a lot less than $2 each. This is the front, and it comes in color, but I printed mine out black and white to save my color cartridge. Anyway, they have step-by-step instructions. You can go faster than the video, or you can even go slower. Take your time, do it, watch the video, and then go do it. However you want to do it. The cheat sheets kind of let you go at your own pace. Also, if you download the PDF to a tablet, if I mention a product that you can buy online, the links in these cheat sheets are live. So I think they're really helpful because I'm a visual list kind of person. If you are too, please go buy the cheat sheets right now. The link is right below.